Today we will be studying Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is a relation between the potential difference V and the electric current I passing through a conductor. Okay, it is a relation between the electric current and the potential difference. So what does the Ohm's law state? If the physical state of the conductor, if the physical state of the conductor is constant, the current I flowing through the current I flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between its two ends. This is Ohm's law. The current I is directly proportional to the potential difference across the two ends of the conductor. So let's study the diagram for this. See, this is a conductor or a resistance. Okay, this is the conductor or a resistance. Electric current I is flowing through the conductor. Electric current I is flowing through the conductor, and a voltage of V volts. A voltage of V volts is applied across this conductor. Okay, across this resistance. Conductor means a conductor will have a resistance R. Okay, what is R? R is the resistance of conductor. This is the conductor, and R the symbol for the conductor, and R is the resistance of the conductor. I is the electric current flowing through the circuit. Okay, I is the electric current flowing through the resistance and also through the circuit. This is the cell. This is the cell which provides the potential difference V. This is the electric cell which provides potential difference V across the conductor. Okay, what does Ohm's law state that? Ohm's law states that I is directly proportional to V. I is directly proportional to V. Electric current is directly proportional to the voltage or the potential difference. Now if you want to remove the proportionality symbol, okay, this is the proportionality symbol. If we want, this is the proportionality symbol. If we want to remove it, we will write equal to K into V. Okay, K into V. Therefore, I is multiplied by 1 upon K is equal to V. Therefore, I into R is equal to V, where R is resistance. R is resistance of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor. Now we will just write V first here on the left hand side. V is equal to IR. This is the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. This is called as Ohm's law. This is called as Ohm's law. Here, what is V? V is the potential difference or the voltage. I is the electric current. R is the resistance. So from this formula, what is the, from this equation, what is the formula for R? R is equal to, let the I come down, V upon I. R is equal to V upon I. How do you measure V? V is measured in volts. V is measured in volts. And I is measured in ampere. I is measured in ampere. And how about R, resistance? How is it measured in? What is the SI unit of R? SI unit of R is ohm. SI unit of R is ohm. 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 In the name of the scientist who made this law. Okay, who developed or discovered this relation between I and V. This is Ohm's law. This is according to Ohm's law. Now, how we will write the 1 ohm? 1 ohm is 1 volt upon 1 ampere. 1 volt upon 1 ampere. So how is 1 ohm a resistance? How is 1 ohm a resistance defined? 1 ohm, the resistance across the conductor is 1 ohm when an electric current of 1 ampere passes through the resistance when 1 volt of potential difference is applied across its ends. When an electric current of 1 ampere passes through resistance When a 1 volt potential difference is applied across its ends, then the resistance of the conductor is called as 1 ohm. Okay, resistance of the conductor is called as 1 ohm. So this is about the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is nothing but the relation between V and I, potential difference and electric current. It is given as V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Thank you. This is all about Ohm's law.